Hello, my name is Nick Maselli. I'm the Regional Product Manager for Hitachi Industrial Equipment and Solutions America. So we keep track of both North America and South America. We actually sell continuous inkjet printers. My particular role, again, is Regional Product Manager. What that means is I'm actually talking to customers, trying to get their voice, see what their pain points are, what are some of their issues, and how can we actually talk to our engineers internally to actually figure out some of those solutions to some of those issues. So, a couple of years ago, we actually released our UX2 right here, which includes a new cleaning station, as well as some other technology that goes along with it. So the first thing, usually what happens in terms of certain customers is that some of their downtime that occurs on a regular basis, such as downtime due to long periods of inactivity, or maybe during with a spare printer, we actually have a solution that will recirculate the ink to make sure that the printer is ready to be used and start up whenever they need it, is number one. Number two, just to clarify as well, is that this product is used for kind of marking and coding. So anything such as a date code or a lot code, this product can actually print on. One other thing that our customers kind of realize that they have quite frequently is downtime due to a dirty printhead. So we've actually developed a piece of technology right here that's so small, but actually has a really big impact. So there's a component right here that actually deflects the ink, and that's how we create a code. But what happens often is actually when it prints on a product, some of that ink backsplashes into the printer itself, into the printing component. And what happens is there's a long stalactite that builds up into this component right here. And that's either going to do two things. Number one, it's going to actually, the ink droplets are going to hit that little component, causing poor print quality, which you're going to have to shut down the line to clean the print head. Or number two, that stalactite is going to get so long it's going to touch another component in which your printer is actually going to shut down. In order to solve that issue, we created this little device here called a ink guard. It's patented by Hitachi, and what it does, instead of collecting a stalactite here, causing poor print quality, it'll collect all in the inside right here instead, leaving us to have 3 times longer in terms of having to clean our print head in total. That means 3 times longer in which your printer can be running at a time. So those are some key things in terms of what Hitachi can do.